Okay, hey Transformers fans, this is Optimus Prime 105 bringing you my first review, and it's called The Transformers Universe it's like Commemorative or whatever the hell it is edition. Autobot Perceptor. He's the Autobot scientist. 25 years. There's the box. So, let's just read this, shall we? It says, in 1984, the Transformers robots stormed into televisions, comic shops, and toy aisles worldwide, and changed forever how we thought about action figures. It created a craze that has lasted for a quarter of a century, though dozens of permutations. Our world was expanded beyond the mundane fantasies of action heroes and fashion idols to include an endless universe populated by unstoppable metal giants, vicious alien giants, and monstrous plant eaters from the beginning of time. From then on, we lived in a world that was more than meets the eye. 1984 to 2009. 25 years. Now it's 26 years because we are in 2010. I wonder what they're going to do for the 50th anniversary. I'll be around. I'll probably be like, maybe in my 30s or so. I don't know. But I will be grown up, an adult, when the 50th year comes. So anyways, there's a little kind of a art picture. There's an art picture of Perceptor. I wish he was actually like that. But this is the G1. The G1. Perceptor. Let's read Perceptor's, I guess, bio? I don't know. It's a world where things are not what they seem. It's a world of heroic Autobots and evil Decepticons who are known as the Transformers. Welcome back to the bleeding edge of Autobot science. This most brilliant Autobot researcher is identical to the original toy, letting you relive the excitement of seeing through the lenses of the powerful Perceptor. This isn't the actual 1984 original figure. This is just it's the same figure, but I'm guessing that the colors are just different, or he just has lighter colors. I don't know. I don't know why they don't call him the original toy. I guess because it's not the actual one that was released in 1984. So anyways, I'm gonna open up the package. So oh, before I do that, this comes with this. That's the figure in the box, plastic. Yes, I do have his gun, and I actually have his 2 guns and his 3 missiles. Because he's a classic figure, I do not keep him. I do not keep him in there. Well, you can't see it, but it's like it's a bin with all the other Transformers. I do not keep him in there. That's the only reason why I saved this box. I might sell him. I don't know. I mean, Perceptor is most likely my first G1 Transformer. Well, there's Bruticus, but that's my dad's. Let's read his biography. Oh, that's the actual figure. I do not know why he has 2 guns. I have the whole series on my dresser. He only had 1 gun, and he barely fought. He just turned into that thing, a microscope. So I'm going to release him. If you want to skip this, you can skip it. Just skip it on YouTube. Okay, I'm back. I put the box on my bed because I didn't want it to get in the way. Anyways, let's put this out of the way. This is Perceptor. That's Perceptor. Oh yeah, hold on. There we go. He looks more like a microscope. I still can't tell if this was used or not. I mean, when I saw him in Toys R Us, I knew I had to pick him up, but he felt so light, like somebody already got him. My dad was like, "Are you sure this is?" I mean, I see a piece of this chipped off. I'm starting to believe I just bought a used Perceptor. You know, stuff like Target and Walmart and especially Toys R Us, man. They need to, if it's been used, it should be like, there should be a tag on it that says used, or this has been used, or something. You don't just put it back on the shelf. I mean, used crap should go, like, I don't know, back in the like, they shouldn't be on the shelf with all the other figures. I'm not calling this figure used. I'm just finding more clues that this might be used. So, he in the series, I think he did have these stickers on. So, they say you can look into the microscope. You actually can. I think. Yeah, you can a little bit, but my dad said when he got the original figure, it was actually a microscope. It actually acted like a microscope, so you can actually see crap. You can twist the novel thing, so you know, you can look closer. Oh, well, in this case, it's blurry. So let's get on to the transformation. I'll just put this down. Wait, no. Alright. That's how you transform him. You see this his chest piece, you just fold this up. See his legs. They fold them sideways. Bring them down. Turn until you meet the stickers. Until the stickers is on the thigh. Let's do the same over here. I actually thought it was like that, but it's not. It's totally like this. And you got them halfway done. Take his shoulders out. Put them down. Same thing right here. And I wanted him to look more like more like the series instead of on the box. So in the series, he had his microscope on the right side. I mean, left side. Left side. There's just a little, I guess a switch. Flip it up. And there you have